Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Matchbox EV trash truck or dump truck or garbage truck. This is new for 2025. They did have something like this, where like older based on the older truck, but this one is a new EV one. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the EV trash truck out of its box, and the first thing you will notice, it's finished in blue, unlike the green truck Matchbox had before for the garbage one. I think it's because of the EV thing. But yeah, if you're on the side, you can see it's written Matchbox, well disposable and recycling, and help keep our planet clean by recycling today. It says that. It says EV on the side, number 2, MB1523, and marker lights. Also, you've got this reflective tape kind of design, and looks like a toolbox. Wheels looks alright here. They kind of look like steel wheels you will get on trucks. I think Matchbox also did a fire truck based on the same truck, if I'm not wrong, based on the EV one. Now let's move to the side, to the back. Again, some good details here. You can see there's the place where the dump goes in, or garbage goes in. I think those are some marker lights or stop lights on the top, but they're not detailed, so I can't really say much. Tail lamps are down here. Going to the other side, looks almost identical, and this is really nice. Like, they have slots open on the top. If you look closely, you can see a little bit of stuff inside. It's not much, but there's a little bit of stuff you can see. Now coming to the front, as I was saying, if you look closely, you will see the closeness to the fire engine they did. I think it was called Place Buster, if I'm not wrong. It's an EV truck, so it doesn't have grill openings or anything. It has got mirror and windshield wipers. Interior is done in grey, I guess. You see the bumper and I think this is for the fog lamps. This is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, it looks like a nice casting. Could use a lot of detail, I guess, front and back, but again, it doesn't look bad. It's alright. And I think if you have got the older ones, the diesel garbage trucks, I think this will go well with that. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.